How's it going, class? Mr. Jaw here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Google folder so that I could have access to your assignments and easily grade it and return it back to you. So let's go ahead and get started. So when you log into your Gmail, you're going to see this grid. So when you click here, this gives you access to your Google Apps. So you're going to click here and then click on your drive. And you're going to create a folder. So just go ahead and click new. You're going to click folder. It's a little slow right now. Okay, here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to name this folder your last name. So for instance, my last name is Fielder. So last name dot your first name. My first name is Jahlil. You type that in. And then dot your desk number. So whatever your desk number is, let's just say my desk number is 12. So I'm going to put 12. So this is the label that you're going to have. Now you could also take it a step further and go ahead and put your subject, right, so that you know which class this is for. So the subject is going to be, let's just put science. You could also be specific, right, depending on what science you're in. So if you're in general science, you put general science. And if you're in physical science, you just go ahead and put physical science. Okay, so you go ahead and create that. Okay, so now that you created it, what you're going to want to do is share this folder so that I have access to it. So when you click on it, or you're going to right click, you're going to look for the share button. So you click share. And then you're going to put Jahlil Fielder at gdoe.net. Okay, so you go ahead and click that, and then just go ahead and give me the ability to view it, right? So this is your, when you share Google folders or applications such as Google Docs, Slides, this here is your, when you share it, it gives them the ability to do certain things. So for me, just give me the ability to view it, and then go ahead and send it. All right, so you send it, and it's finished. So this folder, the purpose of this folder is every time you do an assignment, you're simply going to take that assignment and then drag it into the folder. So in fact, let me go ahead and do that. So let's say you finished your assignment, and you're going to want to add it to the folder. So you're just going to drag it and drop it into the folder. All right, so you just take it there and then let it go. Now I'm using the left click button in case you don't know. All right, and that is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in class.